That means you not outright bought all the equipment that you're leasing out. I understand you financed some of it.
Yeah, exactly. So I think, risk of inventory is a big risk, for instance, and it can put you issues to scale properly. So at Fleet, we don't have inventory, so we don't have warehouse, we don't have inventory, because this is very cash consuming to have inventories. Um, so we do drop shipping basically, like it's on demand, and we have a network of suppliers that we ask to ship. And we don't have balance sheet in the sense, neither we don't finance ourselves. We work with banks that finance the client for us and take a cut. So I think both decisions were very critical. No, like without it, we couldn't have scaled this way.
Now it makes sense that Seven and you just have been handling everything at Fleet, because it sounds like a very, very lean business where you've been both a lot on the phone and a lot on the computer every day and just orchestrate like all your deliveries, all your clients. Is that true?